Hey everybody, it's Dave Sievers, the part-time affiliate, coming at you with tips and techniques on how you can have fun making money online and still have plenty of time to do the things that you love to do. Now in this video, we're going to go over my top 3 reasons why I believe everyone should strive to become a part-time affiliate. When you think about how much it costs to start most other businesses, affiliate marketing is attractive because the startup costs are low. In fact, all you really need to start this business is a decent computer and an internet connection. And guess what? Most of us already have that. And so you already have the basic things that you need to get started as a part-time affiliate. In addition to having a decent computer and internet connection, however, you also need certain tools of the trade, as you would with any business. And if you're going to treat it as a real business, you're also going to want to have things that would allow you to manage and to monitor your business, like accounting software and things like that. But what I'm really talking about here in terms of starting up your affiliate marketing business is, for example, an email autoresponder. You're also going to need to have a way to create certain websites or funnels. Perhaps you're going to need to have certain other tools that allow you to do keyword research. And there are free options available to you, as well as, more sophisticated, more robust paid options where you can get certain software and certain tools that would give you greater flexibility or perhaps more automation, which over time are things that you would absolutely want to incorporate in your business. Nevertheless, when compared to most other franchises out there, pick McDonald's, pick Subway, pick Burger King, pick any other company out there, any other franchise that you can go out and establish, you're talking millions of dollars to establish one of those franchises, as opposed to several $100 or perhaps $1,000 or so to fully establish and to run an affiliate marketing business. And so absolutely, without question, this is one of the reasons why everyone should seriously consider becoming a part-time affiliate, because we're saying with very low startup costs, you can create an online digital marketing franchise that would enable you to grow it to whatever level you need to support your lifestyle and enjoy the benefits of being a part-time affiliate. The fact that no prior experience is needed is another beautiful reason to become a part-time affiliate. As we like to say, you can earn as you learn. All you really need are the basic computer skills. And when you think about it, once again, most of us already have that. Why do I say it? Because we're searching for things on Google. We are buying things on Amazon. We're communicating with our friends and, making posts on Facebook. We are, looking at Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram. We're communicating with our friends on Messenger. And since most of us use these things in our everyday life, believe it or not, most people already have the basic computer skills needed to become an affiliate marketer. Now, what's needed in addition to that is the initiative, the determination, and the willingness to learn. And these are 3 important things in addition to the basic computer skills that everyone must have, because there is a learning curve. There are things that you have to learn. It's one thing to utilize Facebook to communicate with your friends and to put up posts about things that's happening in your life. And there's another thing to understand how to use Facebook as a way to advertise or as a way to promote and as a way to engage with people, right? There are certain things that you have to learn, and you need to have the willingness to learn in order to apply yourself to these things and get these things under your belt. The beautiful thing about it is you don't have to know all of this stuff starting out, okay? You can earn as you learn. And there are tremendous resources available to us to actually learn all the things that one has to learn. Now, the other thing that I'm going to mention here, which is really, really important, because people tend to get stuck, right, when they're starting out as affiliate marketers, and they fail to take action. And this is the number one thing. And basically what I'm saying is, when it comes to having a willingness to learn and having determination and taking initiative, taking action is so important, because when you learn something, you need to apply it. Right? When you learn something else, you need to apply that. You need to continually test and expand your knowledge and your skills. And the only way you're going to do that is by actually doing it. In fact, my mentor, Napoleon Hill, says, do the thing and you will have the power. And that is like a fundamental thing that is needed when it comes to becoming a part-time affiliate. No doubt, the most attractive reason for becoming an affiliate marketer is because it is simple to get started. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to handle inventory. You don't have to ship the product. You don't have to deliver the product. You don't have to handle customer service. You don't have to take returns of the product. You don't have to take the money that the customer pays to buy the product. All of that is handled by the companies that we promote. All we do is put content out on the internet that eventually introduces someone to a company that is selling a product which they may be interested in. And if they decide to buy that product and the company makes a sale, we get paid a commission. And there's just simply no more beautiful business model, as far as I'm concerned, than that. So the bottom line is, when you first start out, you start out with one product, you get your process down pat, you learn the ins and outs of how to market to that niche. You can then expand to other products to the same niche, or you can start an entirely new niche with a whole new line of products, and you can grow this business as big as you need it to be in order to support the lifestyle that you want to have. And frankly, for that reason, it just doesn't get better than that. And so these are my top 3 reasons for why you should become an affiliate marketer, and why everyone, in my opinion, should really explore becoming a part-time affiliate. And so I invite you to like, to share, to subscribe to my channel, to press the little notification bell to be notified the next time I'm producing a video to share tips and techniques on how to become a part-time affiliate.